to Nasware channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to resolve black screen in OBS Studio. You can see if I add display captures for source, it won't display my desktop. So what we need to do is choose set display. If you are using Windows 10, you can just click display settings, or you can right click and choose display setting. It seems, and then choose graphic settings in here. Okay, and then browse your OBS Studio. I'm using 64-bit, so I choose program files and OBS Studio in bin directory. For 64-bit, I'm choose this. Choose options and choose in the power saving and click save. And we can try to reopen our OBS Studio. Okay, after that we can just open again. Now this is our display capture for OBS Studio. You can see there. If I'm using desktop, it will play desktop like this. You can see there. Okay, that's all tutorial how to resolve a problem black screen in OBS Studio. Thanks for watching and hope this is helpful for you. Bye bye.